Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important topics, which is learning disabilities or learning disorders. तो अब हम वो डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं. So now let's start. सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि लर्निंग डिसेबिलिटी और लर्निंग डिसऑर्डर्स किसको कहते हैं. देन वी विल डिस्कस causes of learning disabilities, and then finally we will discuss one of the most important part, types of learning disabilities. So now let's start. What is a learning disability? A learning disability is a neurological condition which affects the brain's ability to send, receive, and process information. A child with a learning disability may have difficulties in reading, writing, speaking, listening, understanding mathematical concepts, and with general comprehension. Learning disabilities include a group of disorders such as dyslexia, dyspraxia, dyscalculia, and dysgraphia. Each type of disorder may coexist with another. Now we will discuss causes of learning disabilities. कौन से causes हैं जिनकी वजह से ये disabilities होती हैं? Experts say that there is no single specific cause of learning disabilities. However, there are some factors that could cause a learning disabilities. कुछ major causes हम discuss कर रहे हैं. Heredity. It is observed that a child whose parents have had a learning disability is likely to develop the same disorder. Heredity भी एक cause है. उसके बाद illness during and after birth. An illness or injury during or after birth may cause learning disabilities. Other possible factors could be drug or alcohol consumption during pregnancy, physical trauma, poor growth in the uterus, low birth weight, and premature or prolonged labor. Stress during infancy, ये भी एक cause है. A stressful incident after birth, such as high fever, head injury, or poor nutrition. Finally, last cause, environment. Increased exposure to toxins such as lead, in pen, ceramics, toys, etc. तो ये कुछ causes थे जो learning disabilities का सबब हैं. Now let's start the important part. Now we are going to discuss types of learning disabilities. Dyscalculia, a specific learning disability that affects a person's ability to understand numbers and learn math facts. It is a learning difficulty specific to mathematics. अब इसमें क्या symptoms हैं? Difficulty identifying number patterns, for example, place value, quantity, positive or negative value, carrying, borrowing, or difficulty understanding and doing word problems, difficulty sequencing information or events, difficulty using steps in math operations. तो जो mathematical concepts में जो difficulties हो उसको हम dyscalculia कहेंगे. Dysgraphia, a specific learning disability that affects a person's handwriting ability and fine motor skills. अब इसके क्या symptoms हैं? Cramped grip, sore hand, poor spatial planning of sentences and margins, frequent erasing, inconsistent letter and word spacing, poor spelling, missing words or letters. Next disorder is dyslexia, a specific learning disability that affects reading and related language-based processing skills. इसके जो symptoms हैं, slow and labor-intensive reading, difficulty reading aloud, mispronounces words, problem retrieving words, problems writing and spelling. Next is non-verbal learning disabilities, has trouble interpreting non-verbal cues like facial expressions or body language and may have poor coordination. Next, oral or written language disorder and specific reading comprehension deficit. Learning disabilities that affect an individual's understanding of what they have read or of a spoken language. The ability to express one's self with oral language may also be impacted. ADHD, this is also a disorder that includes difficulty staying focused and paying attention, controlling behavior, and hyperactivity. Dyspraxia, a disorder which causes problems with movement and coordination, language and speech. इसके क्या symptoms हैं? Difference in speech, perception problems, poor hand-eye coordination, poor balance and posture, clumsiness, fatigue. Last, learning disorder, executive functioning affects planning, organization, strategizing, attention to details, and managing time and space. तो ये थे इम्पोर्टेंट लर्निंग डिसऑर्डर्स और लर्निंग डिसेबिलिटीज जो हमने डिस्कस की। उम्मीद है आपको ये समझ में आए होंगे। आप हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा ये वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी। अपना ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।